Discipline. That's the trouble with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awful long time.
Poppycock. Would you prefer that we fly with the trees on the marsh? I think not, my sweet. This way. Me, keep walking, dear. Eyes front. UFO at 4 o'clock.
Well, you see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. That's always what I say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Ah! Infantry, eh? Yes, he doesn't.
Look, he's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Ah, very well. We're geese. Migrants. Birds of passage on a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, eh?
Now, where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother on the lake. She must be in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over there a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission.
What do you mean?
There's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a chute?
Bang, bang! Bang, bang!
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while a second group, with guns, shoots them back out again.
The cat told me to beware of the people.
The cat?
Well, yes. You see, I went off with this cat.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, she did. But the cat said that she was my friend.
You do not want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs. They must be starting the shoots again. Time for maneuvers. I hope we're not come to spy. No other option. All right, at ease. Company, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right. Eyes front. You're about to take part in an exercise the likes of which you have not faced before. Our task at hand is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This poor duckling's lost his mother, bless him, and we're going to help find her.
You're a fine body, Geese, and I know you give your very best. Good luck, men. We're off on the wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles is gathering goggles is sure to find your own.
Runways clear, prepare for take off here. We must get our part.
Hark at him, I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Tops away, our heads play, tops on.
We're off on a wild goose chase, and a simple mission position the whereabouts of my farm. We're off and alas, we're blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found my mom.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear.
What? Cattails do not advance, barnacles. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. I thought I'd lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard? The guns.
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Little joke, sir. Maybe I could be a over to the chute, then I will let you know when they are packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I'm your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greylab, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet, flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you had a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air with lovely skies.
We're off to ensure this duckling is not so glum. We won't be back until we found my...
The coast is clear, they're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
Good. All right, men, final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me.
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh no, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, back it up!
Our wings are spread.
So don't delay.
Our ancestors are stowed away.
It's time